Welcome to Kate Laurel. So today we're going to be doing my nails. Let me just show you these nails right for a second. This is when you want to be like all extra with your hands and you're talking. And then my feet are also the same color. And other than nobody really wants to see your feet, but when they're pretty, I don't mind. So before I get into it, let me just apply some more lip gloss. But like, I'll do anything to show these because these look fire. This color is beautiful. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of a spa day. We're going to do a pedicure, hands, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Today I'm working with Madame Glam. So they graciously gave me this gel kit, which you guys can purchase too. I'm going to leave down below. I think I have a percentage off, so get you one. And by the way, I'm not just doing gel, I'm doing acrylic and gel. So I'm doing the full-on salon treatment. This isn't no stick-on nails. I'm going to show you how to do these beautiful nails at home. And I did kind of rush this a little bit, and I'm getting better and better at this, but these are the tips that I'm going to be sharing with you on how I did these puppies. And yeah, it's a learning experience. I get better and better as we go. But there are a few tips that I have just to keep the gel on there and the acrylic really strong so that it lasts longer. I'm a biter and I'm someone who plays with my nails a lot. So if they can last more than 2 weeks, we good. And they do, so let's go. So I just braided my hair, and that just makes me feel good, clean, and collected. And then hopefully I'll do a little face wash tonight, maybe a mask, and then I'm just wearing a cute shirt dress. I swear I've been living in shirt dresses this whole quarantine, and I'm sure a lot of other people are. So because, you know, treats are a girl's best friend, we're making cookies. So we got oatmeal cookies, and I already got two for my husband and one for me. So that is going to be a nice treat for this little spa day. And the cookies are done. Some oatmeal cookies, and they're so delicious. I'm gonna leave the recipe down below so you guys can have it. Ooh, but you can add some nuts, some chocolate, but we wanna keep it a little lighter. But right now we're gonna be doing my feet, my pedicure, and my husband's just the best man in the world, and he's gonna be doing all the exfoliating. We're even gonna use some sugar to exfoliate my feet, and I'm gonna watch Keeping Up with the Kardashians because that's what I've been watching recently. They have 4 episodes and I've been watching them, and you know, I can't help but watch them. And then we're also gonna have some cookies and maybe some coffee later. But yeah, let's get into this day. The feeling of getting your toes exfoliated with sugar, ooh, so ticklish. But it's definitely worth it for the smooth feet. Ooh. And look at me just relaxing. Ah, the life. Get yourself a good husband, I'm just trying to say. My favorite part, the massage. The first thing I'm going to do to kind of prepare myself is I'm going to exfoliate my nails. And then I'm going to use some pure acetone, and I'm just going to wipe off my nails to make sure that they are clean. Then I'm going to be doing the gels. So I'm going to be doing the first base coat. I'm going to do one coat of that. I'm going to do maybe 2 coats of this beautiful green color, Mother Nature. So we're going to do that. So the last thing we're going to do is the soak off coat. And then we're going to be curing them with this. So it's just really handy because it's just going to go right over my feet. And then boom, bada bing. And then, yes. Okay, so these are the nails, and they're gonna go in. And I'm gonna do for 45 seconds. Look how green they look. Woo. Last coat. Just waiting for the thing to finish. And it's actually, you gotta be careful with the top coat that you don't put too much. I kind of went crazy, so this is just a lesson learned. But it should be okay, hopefully. We are done with the nails, my toenails. I have to practice a little bit. I kind of just did them a little rushed, but they're cute. This color, I've always wanted to try green. What do you guys think? Okay, we got the brush, the dish, the acrylic powder, and the monomer. And now I'm just going to be reorganizing all my nails just so it's easier to find. I use 3, 5, 7, 8, and 9. And now I'm just going to be soaking my nails just so that I can push back my cuticles next. So right here, I'm just basically fitting the nails to my size, and I'm just cutting off any of the bits that I don't need. So nails are hard for me. I have to kind of cut the little tips just so that they fit my nails better. So just do that for yourself, whatever works for you. Okay, this is a step you don't want to miss. You want to shape your nails. You want to cut them down to the desired length. And then I'm just cutting the edges off because I want a coffin shape. This is going to make your filing so much quicker, and the time's going to be a lot faster. So I recommend doing this, and I'm just matching them up just so I can make sure they're even. So if you just place them on top of each other, you can do that really easy. Now I'm going to file my nail down so that the product will sit and adhere to my nail. I don't know where my clip went, so this is just a little TikTok video I found to kind of show what I just did. Just like in the TikTok, I'm going to file it down, just shape it exactly how I want it. This is where a drill will come in handy to file everything down, but you can also just use a file like I did. Then I'm going to be applying my Madame Glam base coat. I'm going to do one coat and then I'm going to cure it for 45 to 60 seconds. Okay, we got the Mother Nature green gel, and I'm going to apply 2 coats. I'm going to apply 1 coat, cure it for 60 seconds, and apply the second one and do the same for 60 seconds. And the last step is applying the top coat gel, and this is the most important step, and I'm just applying 1 coat and then curing it for 60 seconds. And this is so important, guys. Spray down your nails with a little bit of alcohol, or if you don't have alcohol, you can use perfume. That's what I did, just to remove the sticky bits. And we're finished. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Peace out, boys and Girl Scouts. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that post notification, like. Really appreciate if you do these things because it helps me out so much. And also follow my socials. I'm going to leave them down below. So I'm just going to go and enjoy my nails. So